Hello, I'm Paul from Black Hawk Distribution. We are the distributors for the UK for Intager Laser Tag equipment. And this morning I'm going to quickly show you what you get in your kit. First of all, the taggers. You'll get 10 or 20 depending on what package you have. This is the tagger, this is the R3. And it weighs 1.1 kilos, so it's very easy to use for children and adults alike. Also with that you will get a helmet and the headset. You will then get also a remote control which turns the guns and the headsets on, and there's also a few controls on there. For instance, we've got the on and off, but we also got a respawn and a factory reset as well. This just enables you as a games manager to turn the equipment on, and it just stops players tampering with the equipment as well. You've also got a charger. You'll have multi-port chargers enough to charge all the equipment supplied, and then also the smart box. The smart box is the brains, the computer that will control the game and give you the games manager all into the price. Thanks for listening to me. That's Black Hawk Distribution. Speak to you